the very end of the programming procedure, after you did all three, you're going to turn it off, and then it's just following the prompts, but you're turning it off, and then you're grabbing the first key that you programmed, taking it to the logo, turning it on. It should chime about 5 times, I believe. Once it chimes, you turn it off, and then right here on the dash it'll say warning, key programming complete, and then that's closing out the whole procedure, and then you just have to test all three of them, and then you're all set. So that's really it.